Today we are discuss about Unit 4 Project Evaluation and Review Technique. Class we are discuss about CPM critical path method, but this today we are discuss about Project Evaluation Review Technique. Here example program: construct the network for the project whose activities and the 3 time estimated of each activities in a week are given below. Compute. First one is we need to compute expected duration of each activity. In CPM they have given some activity value, but here there is no given for any activity value. We should compute the expected duration of each activity, and we should accepted variance of each activity and variance of project length. This is an activity 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 7, and 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 7 to 9, 8 to 10, 9 to 10. Here TO is called as here optimistic time, and TM is called as here most likely time, and TP is called as here pessimistic time. There are 3 different times. We should find out here activity duration with the help of this particular table. Here 1 to 2 activity, the T1 value will be 3, TM value will be 4, TP value will be 5. So similarly each and everything value will be given for 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 6, 2, 1, 4. So these are all the values should be. We are consider, we have find out the expected value of variance and mean and the project duration value. To find out the expected duration of each activity, answer value should be expected duration. Formula will be TE equal to TO optimistic time plus 4 times of most likely time plus TP pessimistic time divided by 6. To find out the expected duration of each activity means we have to use this formula TE equal to T0 plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. This is to find out the duration. We are already know about 1 to 2 T0 value. In that duration we have to substitute this value TO equal to 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 into value will be 4 plus TP value 5. So 3 plus 16 plus 5, 19, 24, 24 divided by 6, the value will be 4. So 1 to 2 activities value. By using this duration formula, we should find out 2, 3 value will be 2, and 2, 4 value will be 3, and 3, 5 value will be 5, and 4, 5 value will be 3, 4, 6 value will be 5, 5, 7 value will be 5, 6, 7 value will be 5, 7 2 value will be 4, 7 to 9 value will be 2, and 8, 9 value will be 6, and 8, 10 value will be 10. So with the help of the expectation duration value, we should find out 1 to activity timing will be 4, 2 to 3 2. So similarly we are find out all the value. So find out this value, we should construct the network diagram. With the network diagram we should find out the EST and the LST. And second question is expect the variance of each activity. Rho equal to TP minus T pessimistic time minus optimistic time divided by 6. The expected variances formula, this is whole square. Activity we have to be by using that TP equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 whole square equal to 1 by 9. So each and everything we should find out 1 2 equal to 19, 2 3 equal to 19. With the help of this formula 2 4 equal to 19, 3 5 equal to 19, 4 5 equal to, because TP value will be here 5 minus 1 the value will be 4 divided by 6, then 2 by 6. We calculate 2 by 6 on 2 by 6 whole square, 4 by 9. So similarly, we have find out 4 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 7 by 9, 1 by 9, and 8, 10 is equal to 4 by 9, and 9, 10 equal to 4 by 9. Okay, we find out the mean value and variance value. Find out the network diagram, expected project length mean. We to draw the network diagram. So here the network diagram will be starting 1 to 2. 1 to 2, the value will be 4. How it's come means we are already find out the value. We are already find out the value. 1 to 2 equal 1 to 2 is 4. 2 to 3 is 2. So similarly, draw the network and mention this activity timing value. 1 to 2 equal to 4, and 2 to 3 equal to 2, and 2 to 4 equal to 3, and 4 to 5 equal to 3, 3 to 5 equal to 5, 4 to 6 equal to 5, 5 to 7 equal to 5, 6 to 7 equal to 7, 7 to 8 equal to 4, 7 to 9 equal to 2, 9 to 10 equal to 5, 8 to 10 equal to 5. To find the project length, CPM, to find the project length means we should know about EST value and LST value. The EST and LST value, same value we are considered as a critical path method project length. So here ES1 ELS starting time is always be 0. Last class we discussed about CPM. In that we are clearly mentioned what is happened. An ES2 value will be is 2. ES1 plus T1 value will be 4. Similarly 3 equal to 6, 4 equal to 7, and 5 means there are 2 sources, 1 destination. So we get maximize ES4 plus D4 5, comma ES3 plus 3 5, 10 comma 6, the maximum value will be 10, and ES6 value will be 12, ES7 value will be 19, ES7 here also there is 2 sources, 1 destination. So in that position we have to be calculate the forward method EST. We should find out the maximized value. ES7 equal to maximize of ES5 plus D57, comma ES6 plus D6, maximize of 15 plus 19. 19 is a maximized value. In ES7 value will be 19. ES8 value will be 23. ES9 value will be 21. ES10 again they have 2 possible ways. So we could maximize of ES9 plus D910. ES8 plus D810, the maximum value will be 29. So this 29 is considered as a ELS starting time. Latest starting time is 29. LS10 equal to 29. LS9 equal to, it is a backward method. LS10 minus D. LS9 equal to 24. LS8 equal to LS10 minus D8, LS7 equal to, there are 2 possible way to 7, there are 2 destination, 1 source, it comes in 8 to 7, 9 to 7, that is reason we have to be use this rules minimization of LS7. The minimization of LS7 is LS9 minus D79, comma LS8 minus D78. The value will be 29, 19. The minimum value will be 19. So LS6 value will be 12. LS5 value will be 14. LS4 value will be, again LS4 there are 2 possible. It comes under 5 and it comes under 6. So LS5 minus D4 5. LS6 minus D4 6. 7, 11, 7. The minimum value is 7. LS3 value will be 0. Again 2. There are 2 possible. 2 comes under 4 and 2 comes under 3. So we need to find out the minimum. 4, 8. The minimum value will be 4. LS1 equal to LS2 minus D12. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we need to find out the critical path method. What is a critical path method? We should mention here the critical path all the value. So all the value, same value will be here. 0 is there. This is a critical path method. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 6. So in that particular critical path, EST and LST, the two value will be same. For example, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, the value will be 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6. The total project duration is 29. We already know about the find out the EST value also 29. To cross check this value, this program will be going is correct way. So next, in the solution, we have to find out the expected variance of each length. Expected variance of each length means that a reason we find out the duration. That is reason we find out the critical path method. In the critical path method, this way 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 10. Expected variance length of each. Expected variance of each length. Variance, we already know about the variance value. Variance value means we can use variance value will be this critical path method value will be considered as a variance of the length. Expected variance of each length we should find out here 1 to 2. What is a value of x 1 to 2? 1 to 2 value will be, we find out expected variance of each length means variance we already find out the value, but we find out the expected variance of each value. We find out the critical path method value. Here critical path method is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 7 to 8, 8 to 10. So we have to take this only this value. 1 to 2 value will be 1 by 9, and 2 to 4 will be 1 by 9, and 4 to 6 is 4 by 9, and 6 to 7 is 1 by 9, 7 to 8 is 4 by 9, and 8 to 10 is 4 by 9. So here we have to take the expectation value 1 by 9, it will be 1 2. This 1 by 9 will be duration will be 2 to 4, and 4 to 6 value will be 4 by 9, and 6 to 7 value will be 1 by 9, and 7 to 8 expectation value will be 4 to 9, and 8 to 10 value will be 4 to 9. So we are already know about the variance value. With the table column we have to take this value, because that is we have to find out the duration of expected duration of variance length. So here the base are all base are equal to 9, all will be 9, so base will be 9. We should directly add 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 7, 7 11 15, 15 divided by 9 we have to be should be 5 by 3. So this is called expected variance of each length will be 5 by 3. So in that project evaluation technique we should find out the three solution: expected duration of each activity, expected variance of each activity, expected variance of the project length. So before we are discuss about critical path method, right now we are discuss about project evaluation method. These two technique to solve the project estimation, resource, time, and each and everything should be solved. Before going to this analyze, we should find out the, because one more thing, important thing, before going to problem solving we have to be first point is we should draw the network. This network diagram is so much of important, because it should be connecting the relationship between one node to another node. There is a correct relationship, presidency relationship or immediate presidency relationship. If the network is not properly, this value or solution is not it to be correctly, the project duration, project evaluation is not under the correct manually. So before going to solve the EST and LST and project and variance or mean, we should draw the network correctly.